Hello everyone, welcome to Silk Zone. Today we are going to see Tussar silk handprint sarees. These sarees are known for its lightweight designs and pattern. Our silk sarees are pure 100% silk sarees with silk mark certifications. All the sarees which I'll show you today are available with us. You can directly contact us or visit to our website by clicking on www.silkzone.com. You can also visit to our website through the link which is given in the description, or for any kinds of queries and questions or any kinds of help or difficulties, you can directly reach out to us by the email and the WhatsApp number given in the description. Even you can contact us through the WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook messengers. Now I'm going to show you some of our collections through this video. So before I'll start, I request all you to subscribe our channel. Please click on the bell icon so you will be getting all of our new collections immediately. So let's get started with all our new collections. Now I'll show you the first look. Have a look to the first saree. This is the pure Tussar silk saree with 100% silk mark tag. The price number, the number of the saree is 101. If you want to place order for this saree, you can contact to us through this number. Now I'll show you the next one. Have a look of this saree. This is the green saree, dark green, blue and black saree. This number is 102. You can place order this for all the sarees through their numbers. You will be getting all the silk mark tag with all the sarees, and you can place order for the sarees. The price of each saree is costing only 4,000. The sarees which you are seeing here are all available with us with contrast matching blouse. Now I'll show you the next saree. Let's get to the next saree. Have a look to this saree. This is yellow saree. All over the saree black colors design is done, and the pallu is having straight linings. The saree is very lightweight and very new design saree, which is famous for its new pattern. You can place the order for the saree through its number, which is 103. The price is 4,000. As I had said before, all the sarees you can purchase through the link given in the description, or you can directly contact us by email, WhatsApp, or you can go through the www.silkzone.com. Now you can see the next saree. This is dark purple saree with floral designs. All the designs which I am showing you are available with us. And one more thing I can say you for our channel, our company, that alteration is done with us. Whatever the colors and design if you provide us, you can get that designs according to you also. And these designs also you can get from us. The design number is 104 and the price is 4,000. Now have a look to the next saree. This saree is in peach color, which is plain color, and the block print design is made all over the saree like leaf designs, and the pallu is in pink color. You will be getting a blouse, contrast matching blouse along with all the sarees, and a silk mark tag will be given. You can place order for the saree through 105 order number, and the price is just 4,000. Just have a look to the next saree. The saree is in yellow color. The saree is in yellow color and red color, and border is in golden color. Above the border there is a black like temples designs and golden borders are there. The pallu is having red color design and golden linings all over the pallu. You will be getting a contrast matching blouse with that. The design number is 106. You can place order for the saree directly to us by chatting or going through our applications, and the design number is 106. And you can place order to www.silkzone.com. The price of each saree is 4,000. Have a look to the next saree, 107. This is red color saree with golden border and temple designs border in the both side of the saree. Now this saree is known for its lightweight design and pattern. This saree is very beautiful and attractive. You will be getting blouse with each and every sarees, and the length of the saree is normal as all the sarees. Now let's go to our next saree. All the sarees you can place order through www.silkzone.com. Have a look to the next saree. This saree is dark blue with off-white and golden border. In the border golden border. There is a floral design all over the saree in the bottom with off white, and the pallu is in dark blue color with white color linings. This saree is very famous and English color saree, which is very trendy color. The design number is 108, and you can place the order for the saree, and the price is just 4,000. Now have a look to the next saree. The saree is in dark blue color. All over the saree off white Buddha design is made, and the pallu is plain with matchings to the border. Golden border is made to the pallu, and both side the saree is having golden border. You will get a contrast matching blouse with that, and the design number is 109. Now come to the next saree. The saree which you are seeing is in sea green color and blue color, dark green color, and golden border. The saree is having at the bottom 3 lines of floral design, and the same 3 lines design is made over the pallu. The pallu is more attractive, matching to the border. Half of the saree is plain. The design number of the saree is 1010. You can place order for the saree by the number, design number given 110, and the price of the saree is only 4,000. Now have a look to the next saree. The saree is in off-white color and dark pink and golden border. Golden border, and both of the side of the border there is a pink linings and zigzag designs all over the saree. The pallu is plain with dark pink. You will get a designs all over the saree which is made. You can see here the number is 111111. You can place order to our link given to our website www.silkzone.com, which links is given in the description. Now have a look to the next saree. This is off-white saree. In the both side of the saree you will get a golden border and temple designs, and the half of the saree is made with floral design. The pallu is having straight linings of orange and dark red and golden golden colors designs, and you will get a matching blouse with that. The price of the saree is only 4,000. Now let's have a look to the next saree. You can look to this saree. This is in dark blue and green color at the bottom, which will make you more attractive while you wear this saree. The saree is in very beautiful color. The bottom of the saree is having a floral design all over the saree at the bottom half of the saree, and half of the saree is plain, and the floral design is also made over the pallu in 2 linings, and the price of the saree is 4,000, and the design number is 113, as you can see. Now have a look to the next saree. This is black saree with yellow border and golden border. The both of the side it is having yellow linings along with golden border. The pallu is also having a linings with floral designs in pallu. All over the pallu there is a 3 linings and golden colors as matching to the border. The design number is 114. You can place order with that, or directly you can reach to our website. The number is also given in the website with the price, and the same number is there in the website. You can directly purchase from there. You can reach out through our link. Now have a look to this saree. This is a very attractive and a new collection saree. You can see this is in a grey color, totally grey color, and all over the saree you will get a white dots, and the pallu is having golden linings and grey colors. Both sides there is a golden border, which will make very attractive and very unique design. The design number is just 115. The price is 4,000. Have a look to the next saree. This is dark peach color saree. You can see how attractive and beautiful this color is. Colors are now very trendy and very famous colors. All over the saree there is a leaf designs made, and the pallu is having a temples kind designs, and 3 lines is made matching to the golden border. The design number is 116. The price is 4,000. Now have a look to the next saree. This saree is just plain color saree with a very attractive color border. The border is in purple color, purple golden, and both of the side you will get a temple border, and the pallu is in purple color, dark purple color. Between that dark purple there is a golden linings, 3 linings, which makes the sarees more attractive. The design number of the saree is 117, and the price of the saree is just 4000. You can place order through this design number or by directly going to our website www.silkzone.com. Now look at this saree. This is off-white and sky color saree. In both of the in sarees you will get a dark blue sky color design, and between it is having a simple linings as temple, and half of the saree is plain as off-white. This color combination is very attractive and very unique. The pallu is also having a same golden border matching designs linings on the pallu. The design number is 118, and the cost of the saree is just 4000. The design now we are seeing is in green color, is a light shiny golden green. All over the saree there is a leaf design made, and the pallu is very unique. As you can see, the pallu is having 2 colors, red and green color, which makes more attractive. Once you wear the saree, you will get a contrast matching blouse with all our sarees, and the design number of the saree is 119, and the price of the saree is just 4000. You can place order directly contacting us or through texting us. Now let's have a look to the next saree. This is plain off-white saree, and all over the saree a zigzag design is made, which is just very attractive and very unique. And even in the pallu some other designs is made. As you can see, the pallu is having a different unique designs like floral designs, linings, and even long squares designs and golden border. The design number is 120, and the cost of the saree is 4000. Have a look to the next saree. This saree is in dark blue color, pure Tassar silk saree. All the sarees are pure Tassar silk. Along with all the sarees you will be getting a silk mark tag. The saree is in dark blue color, and all over the saree a leaf design is made, and even on the pallu you are having a different leaf designs. And all this with all the sarees you will get a contrast matching blouse. Design number is 121, and the cost is 4000. Now have a look to the next saree, which I am going to show you. All the sarees which are all the sarees are available with us, and you will get a silk mark tag with all the sarees. Look at this saree. This is peach color sarees, and half of the at the bottom half saree is having a random colors designs with a floral types. As you can see, same as in the border, it is matching to the pallu. The pallu also having the same linings design as seen in the bottom of the saree. Half of the saree is plain in peach color, and half of the saree is having floral designs. The design number is 122, and you can place the order for the saree just for rupees 4000. Now we'll have a look to the next saree. This is just pink and orange color saree, and having a golden border in both side, and a small floral design as a butta is made all over the saree, and pallu is also having 2 lines of floral design. The design number is 123. You can place the order for this saree just for rupees 4000, and also you will be getting a contrast matching blouse. So you can go through all our collection. All these sarees are available with us. Now we'll have a look to the next saree. This saree is in red and dark black colors, and along with the saree you are having a golden borders. In both of the saree there is in bottom and up also there is a floral design made in the black and red between, which makes you more attractive once you wear the saree. And you can see the pallu, it is having 2 color combination and goldens silvers goldens designs as same as the border. Even the pallu and the saree color combination is very unique. Now have a look to the next saree. This is yellow and red color saree, and both side it is having a golden border, and even the saree is having a temple of black colors. The saree color is very unique, plain white and 3 colors like pink and orange combination is at the bottom of the saree, and you will get a contrast matching blouse with that. Saree number is the design number of the saree is 125, and the cost of the saree is just 4000. You can purchase all these sarees, or you can go through our website and have a look to these sarees, and you can reach to to us by the given description. Now have a look to this saree. This is in dark blue color designs in a plain off-white saree. All over the saree the dark blue design is made, which is just making a very unique and attractive look, and both side it is having golden border. You will get a matching blouse to this, and as you can see the pallu, which is very stylish and very unique, as all the pallus are having the same designs. This as before. Now we'll see the next saree. This is dark purple saree, and half of the saree is having a leaf design at the bottom, and upsides it is plain. It is having golden border in the both side. The design number of the saree is 127. It is flashing in the screen, you can see, and you can place order for this saree at just rupees 4,000. All the sarees are available. These sarees are very lightweighted and famous and stylish designer sarees. Now have a look to the next saree. This saree is yellow color and sea green color. At the bottom at the sea green leaf designs are made. Upside the yellow color is in plain. Both side of the saree it is having golden color designs, and the pallu is having floral designs, linings of white, and in the between also you can see it is having a very attractive color. Light is yellow, and along with this it is having a green color. Now we'll have a look to the next saree, which is in, you can see the saree, you can see the screen, it is in pink color, and both of the side it is having off white, and on this off white there is a leaf design made in the both side, and both side it is having a golden border, and the pallu is having linings, and this linings all the same design is made as seen in the both side of the border. The design number of the saree is 129, and the cost of the saree is just 4,000. You can see how pretty, how beautiful these sarees are, and all kinds of these sarees, and these all sarees are available with us in our link in our shop. Now you have a look to this saree. This is dark violet color saree and peach color. Peach color is just made in the bottom, a floral design with the peach colors and off-white color, and also having the pallu is in peach color and golden color. Golden color is made in the both side of the saree. In golden borders is made, and the floral design is made all over the saree in the bottom, which is just having a very unique design. The design number is 130, and the cost of the saree is 4,000 only. Now we'll have a look to the next saree. This is in off-white color, and the floral design is made all over the saree, which is very like you can see the saree color and combination is just very different and very unique, and you is just, as you can see, the pallu, which is very attractive and very unique color it is. You will be getting a same color, contrast color blouse with this, and the design number is 131, and the cost is just a same as 4,000. You can go through our link and purchase this saree. Now we'll go to the next saree. You can see this is dark blue and red color saree, and both side in the up and down both side floral design is made, like leaf designs are made on the blue color with off-white, and the between it is a plain red, and along with this red all it is not the plain saree. Actually, as you can see in the between it is made a leaf designs in the red colors also, and pallu is having the design as same in the borders. The design number is 132, and the cost of the saree is same as 4,000. You can go to our link and purchase this saree. Now have a look to this saree. This is sea green saree, dark sea green, and all over the saree a small butta is made, which is in white color, and the border in both side the border is in golden, and the pallu is very attractive and unique. All the saree is designed, and the pallu is having golden linings as same in the both side, and the pallu is having flips, you can see, and you will get a contrast matching blouse with that. The design number is 133, and the price of the saree is just only 4,000. Now we'll see this saree. Have a look to this saree. This is in dark blue color. All over the saree square boxes are made, and both of the saree is having opposite colors, like at the up it is having yellow, and at the bottom it is having pink color, which makes you very attractive and very unique, beautiful. The pallu is also having two colors, like pink and yellow. Yellow is made in the between, and pink is made in the both side, as the pink is made in the bottom of the saree. And the saree is very beautiful, very pretty. The number is 134, and the cost of the saree is 4,000. Look at this saree. This is in off-white color, and the saree is having a temple kind design in pallu, and the same kinds of small designs in the bottom of the saree. And all the sarees in the between is plain off-white saree, which is very like unique color and like English type color, which is demanded nowadays is more in the market. And the design number is 135, and you can place the order for this saree is just rupees 4000. Now we'll have a look to our next saree. This saree is in dark green, deep green color, off green color, and all over the saree a peach color floral design is made, as the pallu is also in peach color with golden linings. Golden border is made in both sides of the sarees, and the saree is just very unique, attractive. As I am saying, all the sarees are very unique and attractive. The design number is just 136, and the cost of the saree is just 4000. You can go through our link and purchase from there. Now we'll have a look to the next saree. It is in black color. As you can see, the color of the saree is very unique, very pretty. At the bottom it is having a floral designs with peach color, dark peach color floral designs, and off-white leaves are made in the bottom of the saree, and half of the saree is plain, and the border of the saree is golden. Both sides the golden border is made, and the pallu is also having dark peach color with golden linings. The design number is 137, and the price is just 4000. Now we'll have a look to the next saree. This is dark green color saree, and it is same as the previous saree. The design is made in the light pink color in the entire saree. At the bottom the design floral design is made, and half of the saree is plain, and both side the pinkish golden border is there, and the pallu is in golden linings and peach color, like baby pink, light pink it is, you can say. The design number is 138, and the cost of the saree is just 4000. Now we will have a look to our next saree. Just you can see, this is plain red color saree, and all over the saree floral design is made. Floral design is made all over the saree, and at the bottom, at the up, every side, and the pallu is having floral design, and 3 or 4 linings are made with the golden linings. The design number is 139, and the price of the saree is just 4000. Now have a look to the next saree. The saree is in light dark grey color, which I am going to show you. The saree is in like off-white and like grey color. Both of the side is having a golden border, and the saree is having a check designs in all over the saree, and the pallu is in grey color, and the simple linings is also made in the both side of the saree. The pallu is also having a golden linings, is the matching to the border. The design number is 140, and the cost of the saree is same 4000. You can purchase all these sarees through our website, or directly you can contact to us. You can reach out by the link and the numbers given in the description. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I request all you to subscribe our channel and click on the subscription button and click on the bell icon. Whenever we will update the new videos, you can immediately get the notification, and you can reach out to us. Thank you so much again and again for watching me, for giving your precious times. Please subscribe and like and share as much as possible, and reach to all those people who are need in this kinds of saree in this price. Thank you so much, and click on to our www.silkzone.com. Bye.